All right, we just did the springs. Well, now we're gonna be doing.
Hola.
Hi.
Hola.
You ready to climb a mountain?
Ready to rumble.
Yeah, yeah. 2 ladders.
2 ladders.
So.
I have 2 ladders. She has 2 ladders. I have 4 bladders. We have a lot of bladders.
We got a lot of water,
Good. Good.
a lot of stuff. So I think we're all geared up. We're gonna be heading up right here. So how freaking exciting! Yeah. She's got her hat on. We're freaking ready to go, dude. Let's do this. Born ready. Cari on top of a mountain, still mal pensada. Like Dr. Ruth. So far, we haven't even dented this mountain yet. We're still about 2 hours away. We are really high, really high. Carrying 2 backpacks. I had to. Cari was having a hard time with the climb. It's very steep. More?
Can you just do a little?
It's one hell of a hike.
That's good. That's good.
We're about half hour in.
No, we're about an hour. Yeah, we're an hour in.
So we got a little bit more to go, but we're climbing.
We have 2 more hours. We're doing good.
To get to the top.
Yeah,
Like we said, if we didn't make it to the top, we'll get mad.
we're gonna make it.
We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it.
Especially if we have her on team.
Yeah. Are we there yet? This is the situation. I like that view, baby.
I like you alive.
Yeah.
I want to keep you alive.
All right, so we're about 2 hours and 16 minutes in. The girls are climbing, they're leading the way. This is one hell of a trail. We're almost there. We're gonna make it to the top. Send out a special shout out to our special doctor, Diane. Go say hello to Diane.
Hi, Dee.
So the next time you're joining us out on this beauty, yeah? We're kidnapping you. Ya vamos llegando. Ladies and gentlemen, we have made it to Guadalupe Peak! Feel being here on top of Guadalupe Peak, the highest part of Texas?
Honestly, this is one of the most surreal moments of my life. This is beautiful. There are no words. I can't even describe it. It was tough for me today, particularly just because of a couple of things going on. But we did it. Everybody, helped me out, and everybody
Carried your bags.
Carried my baggage. I mean, my bags. They carried my bags, and but anyways,
so spoiled, dude.
I am. All right, Bob, take a picture.
We gotta hike back down.
Let's take a quick picture.
All right, well.
No, from this side.
From the boob side?
Look at the pain.
You gotta take a shot of Cari. You see Viv right there? Viv is on her ass right now, just like, we gotta go down! Down! Bueno, todavía estamos caminando la mierda esta. Esto no se acaba. Coño, 3 horas. Se cae. Está que se cae ya. Dijeron ahí que 4 horas. Ya estamos como... Hemos parado como 50 veces. Se nos acabó el agua. Lo que tenía que tomar 6 horas, tomó 12. Una se emborrachó acá arriba. Le dio vértigo. Entonces, seguimos bajando. La vaina es en serio, esta escala. No joda. Y la hiker que está al frente mío, yo creo que está borracha, mano. Mira cómo camina. La Vivian llegó blanquita. Salió negra. El solazo que le metieron acá arriba fue del carajo. No, pero en toda seriedad esta vaina es muy bonita. Definitivamente se lo recomendamos a todos los hikers out there. Todas las personas que les gusta ir de caminatas largas, impresionantes. Ay, mira para allá cómo está esa vaina. Qué hermosura. Ya estamos llegando. Ya podemos finalmente ver un poquito el cherry bomb. Mírate el terreno, cómo está la vaina. Está preocupante. 6 horas, somos unos animales, unos campeones. Las muchachas se van a sentar aquí. Vamos a conversar de la vida. Ladies. We made it! She's not drunk, ladies and gentlemen. That's just how she is. Let's grab some water, eh?
I want to get that, like right here. Go in that.
Oh yeah, here we go.
9 miles, 7 hours. 6,000.
In other words, we just walked our asses off. It was well worth it. Thanks a lot, Texas. We'll see you again soon. Thanks for following us. Please like and subscribe if you like content and material we put out. From all of us here at Every Turn New Adventure, enjoy the journey.